Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to buy Betway Voucher using Airtime. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, press enter. And once you press enter, you'll get to this website. Now in this website, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on this button where it says sign up. And once you get your account, click on this login button. Now it will ask you to enter your login credential on these boxes. So enter those details, then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this menu will open up. From this menu, click on where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit, this interface will show up. From this interface, you'll have to click on where it says easy load. If you don't get that option, then it is not available in your country. So you'll have to change your region. Once you get that option, click on it. Then you'll have to enter your redeem code. Once you redeem it, you'll buy Betway Voucher using Airtime. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.